everyone, after our summer office offsite and dinner, I still had some free time. Instead of going back to the hotel, I thought why not explore the old streets of Montreal. And here I am, on the famous Rue Saint-Paul. First thing, these cobblestone streets and old buildings are amazing. It feels like I'm walking in Europe. Can you imagine horse carriages passing by here hundreds of years ago? Rue Saint-Paul is actually the oldest street in Montreal, more than 350 years old. Long ago, it was the city's main trading place, full of merchants and travelers. Today, it's full of art galleries, small shops, cute cafes, and restaurants. Every corner has something interesting. The street is named after Paul de Chomedey, the founder of Montreal. I love how the city keeps its history alive, but it still feels lively and fun. Walking here in the evening is magical. Lights from restaurants, people chatting, street music, it feels cozy and romantic. A little tip if you visit. Come in the morning or evening when it's not crowded. Perfect for pictures and enjoying the street quietly. And wear comfy shoes. These cobblestones look cute but are a little tricky to walk on. I love how this street shows history, art, and modern life all together. Every building looks like it has a story to tell. Walking slowly, sipping coffee, and enjoying this street makes time feel slow and spatial. Honestly, ending my day here was the best choice. Instead of just going back to the hotel, I got to see Montreal's history and vibe at the same time. So that's my evening on Rue Saint-Paul, Montreal's oldest and most famous street. If you visit Montreal, don't miss it. You will love it.